So there's a major Pinarayi Vijayan versus Rahul Gandhi battle going on. They're both accusing each other consistently every day. How do you see this?
No, I think it is a big joke. I think it is one of the big dramatic moments in national politics when two partners of the India alliance, who otherwise eat chai, tea and samosa every time they are in Delhi, and are in a political alliance in every state in India, excepting so-called exception being Kerala, pretend that they are attacking each other. Now, seriously, nobody in Kerala, and certainly not in Thiruvananthapuram, is a Viddi or a Mandan or is believing any of this. This is for entertainment value of the Rahul Gandhi's cronies and Pinarayi Vijayan's sagavs. I don't think anybody even remotely believes that there is any competition or there is any animosity between these two parties. They are joined at the hip. They are together allies in the India alliance, united by their hatred of Narendra Modi ji. And there is a funny WhatsApp message that I got yesterday that is circulating around that said if Rahul Gandhi really wants to put Pinarayi Vijayan in jail, then people should vote for Modi because that way corruption gets solved. So I think that is the answer to your question.
Today, PV Anwar, the Nilambur MLA, also made a personal jibe saying that his DNA should be tested. Rahul Gandhi's DNA should be tested. He's not upholding the...
Look, I told you, and with great respect, I request the journalists and the media also to register this fact. These two parties, the LDF and the UDF, throughout this campaign, please go back and check your archive. Both of them have not said one word of development. They have not said one word about improving people's lives. They have not said one word about taking Thiruvananthapuram or Kerala or India forward. Not one word. All they do day and night is either invest in lies or personal attacks. And this is true for both these parties. It is astonishing that they go out abroad to Oxford University and talk about democracy and EVMs and justice system. But when it comes to celebrating democracy and election, they will do anything and they will talk about everything but the people who are supposed to elect them and people they are supposed to serve.